All right, so here it comes. This is the storm surge coming. So it's coming across right now. This is docks, behind docks. And docks did their preparation, and here you go. You see what's going on. It's coming right over. It washed out that wall right away. So this is the storm surge coming from Milton, and we're going to have a lot of it because this is way too early for it to be coming in. So it's coming right across the This is a parking lot next to docks, and docks is getting it's getting swamped right now, as you can see. So right there. So they put up that sand. That sand wasn't compacted, and they put up bags too, you see, and you know, it's coming over. This is just exactly what Angie and I did not want to see, because guess what's going to happen? This means that at our house, we're definitely going to have a flood event. So these guys are, the storm, you can actually feel the pressure of this thing pushing us, and it's increasing. So I can feel the sand underneath the Jeep being built up from the hurricane pulling the sand over here. So that's Hurricane Milton, and it's going to be. They were predicting that this storm surge was going to be off the chain. So I'm going to go back across again. So look at the flooding over here, and this is. This is the storm surge coming in from Milton. So it's gonna make a mess. It's bringing
new text message from Kenneth Christie AV guy.
It's bringing all this water in from across from the ocean. It's flowing over into the bay. So look at it coming through these fancy houses. So I'm not going to do much more of this because it's coming in pretty strong, and I don't want to get trapped back here and have to walk out or swim out. So look at right there. Look at. So we're in so much sand that the Jeep almost got stuck right there. So these big old fancy houses, they've got the storm surge coming right through in between them. Look at that here. So all this sand that they piled up, it'll be gone by tomorrow. It'll wash it all back out onto the street. So this is pretty powerful. I can feel it on my wheels, and it's pretty intimidating. So. Here it comes. This guy thinks we're nuts. All right, well, it's getting to be too much again. I was in this in Fort Myers Beach, and I decided not to stay. So it's coming in a big way, and it's nothing to play with. So feel this, all this stuff that we're driving over, it's that's a two-wheel drive vehicle back there. You could actually feel under the water it already had sand dunes rolling. So back over here, let's see what's going on back over here. Not much. All right, so we're gonna go post this. All right, so it started. It's going to do this all night. We're going to be up here at 4 o'clock in the morning. We're going to get back down to the island before they start, before they close it off, and so we can get video of it. So look at this back here.
Barefoot Beach.
This is Barefoot Beach, and this is the water's coming down through here. The police are coming here. They're probably going to tell everybody, try to disperse them, get them to move on away, which I don't know. Depends on how fast this comes in. It could be really bad. So this is Barefoot Beach. This is a really, really, really wealthy area. So they just opened up their gates. They got nobody here policing it. So we're gonna go explore. This is something not everybody gets to see. So here it is. It's flooding this really bad.
Oh gosh, that's really flooded.
So this is Barefoot Beach, and it's coming right over. So this is it's basically beach to bay. It's flowing across and going straight over into the bay. It's coming up not really fast, so just wanting to snoop around just a little bit. I'm not going to be in here very long. I don't want to get this to where it swamps the Jeep. So tell you what, man, this is going to change everything for Florida. We can't get these this frequently. It's going to affect our property values in a big way. So we're looking at that.
Out.
Yeah.
Part of that road.
It's washing the road away here.
Yes, it is.
Yeah. So this is it's unbelievable. So the storm surge is coming in really early, a lot sooner than what, well, at least I had hoped. So what this means for Angie and I is most likely we are going back to a flooded house. That sucks. So guess we might as well go ahead and get happy with where we're staying right now. So he can't get up there because he's got a regular car. He can't go over into that water. So I'm going to go back up here just for another minute, just to see how much it's changed in just a split second. And I want to see what he's going to do. If he's going to run these people off, if he's going to make them leave. So they're definitely possibly in harm's way. It's going to come up. I just don't know how fast it's going to come up. And it's going to come up a little bit and then it's going to get calm again for a little bit, and then it's going to come up. So this has come up quite a bit since we were here just before. It's starting to create an undertow here on the street. So look at that. We're right in the middle of Hurricane Milton's storm surge. And the police are here telling everybody to go ahead and leave. So we are, we'll follow when they, but now his car's in the way, so I wonder if he'll do anything if I go over there and go the wrong way. I might as well get it done. So the police are here telling us we need to leave. And look at it building up. The Gulf is so calm all the time. So look at this, and look at the water rushing through. So go ahead and hold that. This hurricane is probably over 100 miles from here. So this is just the first part of the storm. Barefoot Beach. Look at how much water has built up. This is, we just came through here, it was probably 6 inches. Now it's probably a foot. We just came through here a minute ago. So here we are going back up into Barefoot Beach. And we're not gonna go far because it's too deep. But look at
And the
this.
road's washing away.
Look at that. Yeah, a lot of foam. I'm not so sure it's washing away.
Over
though.
here.
Yeah, I don't think so. So look over down through there. So look at this, this is a river coming across here. So that is why they make you build up. That's why they want you to things happen, and they're happening awful frequently right now. When these things happen, you don't end up with a major problem. So look at that. These are $5 million, $10 million, $15 million, $20 million houses. We are definitely not going through that. This is as far as we go. Look at that. Look at that. That is unbelievable. Unfreaking believable. Just getting close. This is gonna be a big deal. This is a big deal. Here we go. That's a strong current pushing on the Jeep. I can feel it. So this foam, I don't know what that foam is. Probably sandbags of concrete or something. So we're gonna go back through this. When we came through here earlier, it wasn't nearly this deep. So it's gotten pretty deep. So all these pumps, they're all gonna get ruined. That salt water is gonna ruin them. Over here, that's a police officer watching what we're doing here. Oh no, I thought that was a police officer. So we're cruising through. The police dispersed everybody, and we're gonna go check out some other stuff. Let's go up to Imperial. So this is Tailend. Hi, Tailend. Hey, the police just came and booted everybody out. The police just came and booted everybody, made everybody go.
Oh, from Barefoot Beach?
Oh, you should see the surf coming in. I just went up Barefoot Beach.
Yeah?
I went up there. Dude, it was pushing the Jeep.
Were you in water?
Yeah. They got the gate open. We went about a half a mile in.
The water's halfway up Big Bend Road.
Yeah, that sucks. We're screwed. We're going to be fixing all this crap again.
It hasn't got to the Sherry Lane yet. So.
It's going to. This is so early on. The high tide is at 2 o'clock. The worst part of this is going to be probably around 2 o'clock. Well, we're going to be busy, but the rest of this sucks for Logan and I. be another year of putting crap back together. So we're gonna go see what other things are happening.
All right. See you later.
Bye. So I don't want this video to be too long. So I'm gonna post this the way it is. This is not good. This is really, really bad for Florida. We don't need this. So this is going to affect the values of our properties and everything at this point. This is just too many events all at the same time. It wasn't 2 weeks ago, and we had a similar event. Of course, this is so early on in this one. This is bad. It's bad. So I'm going to hand the